have a Bosch Distance Plus D3422. This is off of a 2012 Scion XB that had 65,000 miles at the time that we took this off. 65,000 miles on the vehicle, right at 5,000 miles on the filter. You really can't find these filters anymore. I bought these at Walmart's on clearance. Gosh, it's been 4 or 5 years ago now. Got them for like $3 each. Maybe 5, I don't remember. It was a pretty cheap price for... This is actually a really good quality filter. It's actually made by Purelator. But it's a overall good filter. Wish they still made them. I'd buy some more. Even though I think when they were out, they were probably closer to $10, $12. I don't think it's a synthetic media. It might be a blend. But good filter overall, though. Supposedly had like the highest dirt capacity. That's what they said when they on the box. Again, good silicone anti-drain back valve. I like this one. This is the tall version of the filter for the car. I like it because it's just a lot more filter media. You can see those little marks up there. I had some magnets, hard drive magnets on the outside right there. It's got a little bit of debris. Actually, you can kind of see on that right there too. There was a little bit there too. This little Scion is actually my daughter's now. It was my wife's. It's using about half a quart every 5,000 miles. Actually, about 4,200 or so, 4,000 or so. It's needing a quart added. So it's got the 2AZF E engine. I think that's what it's called. It's the Toyota engine that had the issues with the rings, and known to be a bad issue. And Toyota warranted it, but mine's out of warranty because they warranty for 10 years, 100,000 miles. It's 60,000 miles, and it's at 10 years. Sorry about the shaking. I'm not going to cut this all the way off. Just cut a little section and take a quick look. Like I said, these are very solid belt filters. Nice metal crimp on there. Overall, just solid construction. Really liked them. Wish they had done away with them. There's no debris in the filter. Well, oh, maybe a little bit of... Yeah, there's a little bit of silver flake in there. It's not that bad. Not crazy to see that, but not horrible. Let me get my flashlight out. Shine it on there a little bit better. And that just makes everything look shiny. I don't know. I can't really tell. However, I'm not worried about it. Just keep an eye on it. Alright. Well, that one's that.